Now, the National Papua, Vereniging 95 West New Guinea, have the floor.
Thank you, Chairperson and Delegate. I have an urgent appeal to start a dialogue between the Papua people who are opposed to Indonesian politicians and the Indonesian government.
National Liberation Front.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In commemoration of the 30th anniversary of the UNDM and 15th session of the Forum, I would like to thank to all relevant stakeholders, Atjèh National Liberation Front or ASNF.
Now, the National Papua, Vereniging 95 West New Guinea, have the floor.
Thank you, Chairperson and Delegate. I have an urgent appeal to start a dialogue between the Papua people who are opposed to Indonesian politicians and the Indonesian government. The choice for a dialogue is in accordance with the many people want. Dialogue is the most difficult part to resolve the Papua conflict, but it is the only road to lead to lasting peace. The Papua people are opposed to violence because this only leads to greatest suffering. In order to stop the suffering, it is necessary to have a dialogue with counter-Indonesia parties who are supported by the decided international mechanism. Papua are citizens with the territory of the states of Indonesia, and for 95 years this has been known to be an area of political conflict. The dialogue in Papua is called for so that there will be an understanding of the tension in the political conflict, so that there will be mutual respect for political choice and mutual recognition of political choice, political right for the future of each party. Only true dialogue can protect, be resolved, and freedom for the Papua being found. We are ready for this dialogue. We call on the international community to join us. Thank you.
National Liberation Front.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In commemoration of the 30th anniversary of the UNDM and 15th session of the Forum, I would like to thank to all relevant stakeholders. Atjèh National Liberation Front or ASNF has been here since 2014 and raising several issues about the dire situation facing ethnic minorities in Indonesia, especially in my homeland, Atjèh. As an archipelago, Indonesia consists of hundreds of native ethnic minorities with different histories, backgrounds, cultures, etc. And needless to say that minorities in Indonesia, especially in some restrictive areas such as Atjèh and Papua, are often collectively subjected to violence when engaging in political activities to assert their rights. Mr. Chair, last month, exactly in this room, I repeat, last month, exactly in this room, Indonesian human rights record was reviewed in the 4th cycle of UPR. What Indonesia reported during the session was contrary to all the reports by human rights independent experts, civil society group, etc., with a particular reference to human rights defenders, the right to freedom of expression and peaceful assembly. Prior to the UPR session, Indonesian President has signed a decree to resolve gross human rights violations, including Atjèh, through non-judicial mechanism. Human rights activists and families of victims have vehemently rejected the move as it's clearly it's a project to whitewash gross human rights abuse and institutionalize institutionalized impunity. And it's also proof that the government is unable and unwilling to resolve the case through judicial process. In the case of Atjèh, most abuse by the military have been thoroughly investigated